And from this function, I can find r, which is the maximum value of x, and h, which is the maximum value of y. So now if I put these two are both equal 0, then you can have when x equal r, then y equals 0, right? So from here you can get r equal 2v0 squared over g and sine theta cosine theta, or r equals v0 squared over g and sine of 2 theta. And so knowing r, we can easily find h, which is also when x equal r over 2, because this is halfway. And well, r over 2 is basically just v0 squared over g and sine theta cosine theta. And so you have v0, this is squared times g and this plus this value again over g times tan theta. And therefore we will have h equal v0 squared sine theta squared over 2g. And these are two more things that you should remember. Another topic that I quite want to talk about is the parabola of safety, which you can imagine it like this. If I have, so an object can be thrown with different angles, right? So you can like this. If you throw it higher, it will be like this. Or if you throw it lower, it can be like this. So this parabola of safety is basically a giant parabola over all these small trajectories, all the possibilities. And so in order to do that, again, we will use this equation. And also, we will also put these as zeros to make it more simple. And so I can actually rewrite this as, so you can see here is 1 over cosine squared of theta, right? So you can write this as 1 plus tan theta. So what I'm doing here is putting y into a function of tan theta instead of x. So you have tan theta times minus x squared g over 2 v0 squared, and also plus Wanna see, and also x times theta. So this is a quadruple equation of tan theta, and so if you want to have all these possibilities, meaning that you there always be only one theta value for each of these trajectories, and well, they all exist, right? That's why we will use a feature of quadruple equations, which is delta equals b squared minus 4ac, and this equals 0. So this equals x squared minus 4 x 2v0, and the c is actually is when you move the y to the other side, so that make this like this, and can make this x power to power to 4 e squared, and this, and for the y can write it as 2x squared g and y. This equals 0. So you can lose this so y equals 1, 2, and and so from this you can have y safety equals v0 squared over 2g minus a squared and g over 2v0 squared.